Students, in this video, we will practice some MCQs related to algebraic expressions. The first one is the algebraic expression for 6 more than 1/5 of x. So here it is written 1/5 of x. So how can we write 1/5 of x? So we have four options. So we can observe the options also. How can we write 1/5 of x? 1 by 5 of x. 6 more than 1/5 of x. So 6 more than 1/5 of x. So its answer is x by 5 plus 6. Option 4. First question A part we have done. Now look at B part. 3 less than 5 times of x. 3 less than 5 times of x. So how can we write 5 times x? 5 times x can be written as 5x. 3 less than 5 times x. So 3 less than 5 times x. So first option is the correct answer. Now look at C part. The constant term in 3a 7b plus 5 by 13. So which one is constant term in these three terms? It is 5 by 13. So third option is correct. In D question, the numerical coefficient of 3abc. Numerical coefficient of 3abc. So it is ABC are variable and 3 is numerical. So 3 is numerical coefficient. Fourth option is correct. Look at E part. The coefficient of R in minus 2 by 3 p square q cube R. We want to find the coefficient of R. So what was the coefficient? Whatever the coefficient we want to find, which coefficient we want to find out, the coefficient of R. So whatever appears with R, we will write all. So coefficient of R is minus 2 by 3 p square q cube. So we want to find the coefficient of R. So whatever appears before R or whatever appears with R, we will take all that, whether it is numerical or variable. So in this way, second option is correct. So these are our MCQs. Now look at another MCQs. Here it is. 3 added to the sum of x and y is written as 3 added to, in which we want to add 3. We want to add 3 in the sum of x and y. 3 added to the sum of x and y. So in this way, or we can write 3 added to the sum. Which option is correct? We can write in this way also, because we don't have this x plus y plus 3 in option. So we will use this one. 3 added to the sum of x and y. So C option is correct. Now look at second question. If x plus 4 is equal to 5, so what will be the value of x? We know what will be the value of x. This 5 will go from left hand side to right hand side and its sign will change. Plus becomes minus. So x value is 1. B option. Now look at third question. A boy earns rupees x in a week. boy earns rupees X, spends rupees Y. Earns mean income. What it means? Earns mean income and spends means expenditure. Whatever he spends, that is his expenditure. So he's saving for a week. We want to find out the savings. Savings is equal to income minus expenditure. So income minus expenditure is X minus Y. So in this way, B option is correct. Now look at the fourth question. Fourth one is 7x means. So what 7x means? 7x means 7 multiplied by x. 7x means 7 multiplied by x. So our answer is D. D option is correct. A girl runs x meter in 10 minutes. So how many meters does she run in 1 hour? A girl runs x meter in 10 minutes. How many meters does she run in 1 hour? So here it is. We want to find out meters. So we will take that meters in right hand side. In 10 minutes, girl runs x meter. In 1 hour it is in 1 hour we have 60 minutes. So in 1 minute girl runs x by 10. And in 60 minutes is equal to 1 hour. It is x by 10 into 60. So here we have 6x meters. What will be the answer? 6x meter. B option is correct. Look at the sum again. In 10 meter, we want to find meters. So we will keep meters on right hand side. What we will do? We will keep meters on right hand side. So a girl runs x meter in 10 minutes. So in 10 minutes, girl runs x meter. In 1 minute, x by 10. And in 60 minutes, x by 10 into 60, that is equal to 6x meter. So our B option is correct. Thank you.